Oh, good Lord. I had friggin' court this morning. Video court. Because I'm a terrible person, but you already know that. I thought I got a little bit of the package this morning, but the mail deck dropped off totally different dicks. So we gotta go to 30, 31, 35 Inwood Road. Now Canada Post owes me. Doesn't
back in, or you want to drive the car out?
Oh, if it starts, we might as well drive her out.
Yeah, we'll give it a quick boost. It'll fire right up.
Right on, perfect.
Yeah, so just pull up in here. Don't block the driveway. It's shared.
Right on. So he told you about me cracking my head open?
Yeah, he did.
Yeah.
He said, holy f***, the guy comes here. He says he got no tires in the car and stuff like this. He was talking about another one you picked up. He said he lifted his head. It was all blood.
Yeah.
For a loop, that's a lot.
Yeah.
See, fires right up.
Oh, purrs like a kitten. Decent. Got another jumper. You guys get into sharing the friggin' jump videos and different things, I'll probably be able to do more of onto it. And less monkeying around. Not sure if you ever thought of that or not, but these are facts. No brakes. That's fucking awesome. Brakes at all. Just ran into my torch cart, bent the wheel. Awesome. That's fucking awesome. What happened
today?
Yeah, lunch.
Oh, lunch. Oh, how long? 1 year.
Why? What happened?
I need you. I check the house. I need a steel. That's a steel. You order that's a steel.
Oh yeah.
How much for me? I need
20 bucks.
Okay. No, that's one. That's a steel. That's order.
Yeah.
20 bucks. See that?
Yeah.
I see that.
Sure. Oh, Chonima. What happened? You need a chicken house?
I need that one.
Yeah, I don't know.
I support chicken 100.
100 chickens?
Yeah, so
Oh man. What are you gonna do with 100 small chickens, you bastard?
I hear. Okay, you need a chicken?
Yes.
Okay, I pick one for you. No money for you.
Oh, no money for me. Oh, how convenient. How convenient.
Another one chicken, he knows. 1 week, no good. 3 months, 6 months, chicken, okay, nitty good.
Oh, nitty good.
Yeah.
Nitty good.
That one. I cut.
Oh, perfect.
That one. I gotta go.
Where's this from?
Oh, I'm off.
This you?
No. That's it. I cut. Everything. No.
You take all.
I tell, okay?
You take all, everything.
Yeah, everything. That one, everything tell.
This one, no.
No, I house. Chicken house.
This one, 100.
They want 100?
Yeah.
That's one?
50. This 2x4, $50 at Home Depot.
No,
Fucking crazy, man.
crazy, oh. Aye,
Home Depot, no good.
No good. You another one, oh, cheaper. I go here. Oh my God, one more. You that's one more. $5.99 just $6. You that's
Hey,
pretty.
I'll pick up this whole thing with my tractor, the whole thing.
Yeah,
Drop it over.
I that's a bit that's a put down. I know. I did a car too. Car
No, I'll
too.
bring the whole thing over one with the tractor. Tractor. Yeah.
Okay,
Uh-oh.
that's a,
Hold on.
oh, that's 100.
Hold on. You go get saw cut?
100. I go. I cut go.
Okay.
100.
Okay.
Okay, I go money for you. I go bank for the cash money.
Yeah. And you cut. You cut and take it.
No, I cut you. You that's one. Said one time. No.
Okay.
I cut. Okay. Cash money.
Okay. Okay.
Hey.
Oh, you made it. You need a hand? Holy shit.
It's a bit heavy. Almost 90 pounds.
Oh, right on. Ah. Oh. Heavy. 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 Ah. Ah. Heavy. Oh yeah. Let's crack this pile of deck open and see what's inside here. Huh?
Every go my house.
You cut?
I in the house I cut. I house cut. Not here cut. I
Too much big.
no.
You cut half. One half, two half. And then I take over.
There.
Cut
I
here.
see. I see. There cut. No.
Yeah. Cut in half.
You that's it. I more. Okay.
Too much big.
Make it look hard. Not long.
Hold on, I'm busy. I'm working.
So today that's okay. Tomorrow.
I'm working today.
Tomorrow.
Maybe. Maybe. Oh my god.
Oh, big here. Oh,
It's broken.
not one big.
Broken. Ah.
Not one big here.
Yeah. Broken. Broken no good.
Oh, they were older, broken. That's a new, really good. Hey,
New Gouda.
good out there.
Gouda friend.
Tomorrow? Charge. I last one. Caught you car. Caught you car. That's not long. Go by here, my car. And here I don't know car another one.
Ka.
I just big one. I caught the two. Down another one. Go up.
See much Gouda?
It's broken. It's broken.
Yeah.
Okay, tomorrow. You today no. You today that's working. Okay, tomorrow.
Maybe. You come ka?
I come in here. Huh?
Yeah.
How
Ka?
long? Maybe I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Nami? Oh, that'd be good though. Too much you take that old roof. I was kind of dreading what I'm going to do with that. That old door that we made into a roof. Oh, goodness, sarsaparilla. Alright, so we got her rigged up there. We got like a 30 20 chance. We got like a 20 30 chance, maybe, if that. Probably not. Apologize for any miscommunication there might have been through text there, bud. Just gotta make sure that the power wire is gonna work. Yeah, she's gonna be a little bit taut, I think. Put her something like that. Semi-pro crimp, what happened? Okay, worth a try, I guess. Let's see what happens. Nothing yet. Oh, that's not a good sign. Oh, what the fuck is that? We don't have a ground. Fucking idiot goof. Okay, take two. Okay, well, the only real snag we run into was the, like, I thought that the son of a bitch, their advertising is very clever, because, you know, when you're on the website and you're ordering online because you can't go into the stores because everybody's got gingivitis, you know, it shows like a picture of this bullshit, but it's available accessories, right? But you know, it just shows you pictures of, I don't know how I fucking thought, but it's supposed to come with remote, no remote, so I had to wire in the remote off the old winch. So that works now. But uno problemo, no can put this thingamajigger in there with the way that it's set up, so fuck, I'm gonna have to extendo the wires, I guess. Fuck's sakes. Alright, so I had to extend the wires so I could stick the box in there sideways, and then I got the antenna hanging out there. Cleaned it up mucho, best we could anyways. And bolt that on there and we should be ready to pick up a car. All right, we got the son of a bitch all hooked up there. Lickety slips. The other one was a 9500. This one is a 10,500. So what's the other one? That one's a 13,500. Should have put that one on the winch. What happened? But we're on the trailer. But whatever. That one was already pre-mounted. Ah! Hide your weed eaters! Hide your weed eaters! Hide your weed eaters!
In 300 meters, turn left onto Beaver Circle.
I love Beaver Circle.
Turn left onto Beaver circle.
I would love
Then the
to.
destination is on your right.
Good Lord. Look at this guy. Holy. Good Lord, America, you missing?